And that is the sense that John Dramani Mahama is refusing to have. That he is for Ghana and not for the NDC.
Yeah, but first years now, almost secondary school, no more this year, should I say last year, almost two books, and yeah, two book over 1,000 cedis. Schools. Yeah, their tom book, book a bit in tom book, teacher any back in tom book back my school, across 2.5, 1.5, and over cumulative books and planet on over 1,000. Oh, these things weren't happening previously, and starting as because this shows us that the previous government no na oye niema a man mpe because na osisi corruption and no kwine. Ameya who say corruption tia omoto abati MPP and yes be MPP ya the boni be because they voted MPP out. They say MPP emma a man for nya corrupt. Omu nya sika se na omu nya omoto book e bia teacher ni the book no ba 2 series I say 3 series no so ati ni nchobo ni mabim. Oh, and yes say to abantia aban no. Say ya to atia na man for student parents to books. And he said, Ebia mimet to book no, but yeah, akrabia like Ebia the parent nibio yet na high school, high profile school. Omoton sabus na mon. How would this person no obenya sa 10,000 no actor sabooks na ye can. Look, these are the things that Ghanaians fail to realize. Say it will go a long way to hurt us, but we thought like based on whatever each individual, and I say nipa person minkuminya like somebody like Captain Smart, no more greediness, no more selfishness, they campaign widely, they just say publish falsehood about MPP government, made it unpopular to every Ghanaian so that they win power. And they've won. Yes, sir. He just sat on radio and make, I don't know how to describe him, that guy. I don't know. But
Na say no na yesi ebekọ amasa man dwom na headmaster no akwọta apọnche nam no de abeya apọnche nkrakra no aye jollof amomo. That's what they're saying. And the sitting president himself was on stage saying that during the elections. And there's one thing I love about MPP, and I love, and you just demonstrated right that you are an MPP. What we do best is to empower our people. And look at like Soa. His father, because he's an MPP, he's thinking, look, you ask him right away what he wants to do, and he knows what he wants to do and what he's about. And that is what the MPP is about. If you go to them, they'll ask you, ukra no school, no unko school. And na unya school, I won't call. And then I'll be timiaye. So they have a place for skills training. Like the lady who came was saying, say, Oma Buana Mano who they have a place for that. And they did this not only for their people. See, every day our people are bitter, they are not happy because MPP, when they come to government, they don't think only about MPP for they think about the whole of Ghana. And that is the sense that John Dramani Mahama is refusing to have. That he is for Ghana and not for the NDC. You see, and because you don't know how to empower your people, you have no plans for them. You told them, say, munya abape, munko mining area honomo, ya manua jollof rice si ho, maye bankuni nkruma nkwanye si ho, nti omunko no munka se komo di eba bidi at the mining area. Instead of you to talk to them about what Dr. Bawumia was talking about, how he was going to train the youth, people, and then empower people with knowledge and then with equipment and how to do community mining in a safe way. You didn't tell your people anything. All you told them was that Samuti say ya wini pe and the munyina monko na monko ji enkwafo concession. Private people's businesses, go there and collect it, even though you don't even know how to write your names. So it's so sad. It's so sad, voice. Let my friend.
From wrong. And it's so funny how the same day he said it, so no. Na me de me ba ketwa me ba na ekɔ school. And I was and maybe I'm CNN. CNN de Ghana for AC news so na almost say and say Ghana is the only underdeveloped country that rejects free things to be able to do away a government that is giving us free education. Oh yes. Meaning say a friend is saying Americans we were have say your CNN na it was a topic. Oh, more discussing. That was on the Monday, after the elections, you know, and it was sad because you see, every developed nation, what checks our country now, education is the biggest thing. It's the biggest, and then the previous government saw it say, and I got a crowd during MPP time made crowd because obi akɔ school kaya ye for it was hard to find them. It was hard. We've enjoyed 8 years of peace. NDC for power. I don't think it's 1 month power now. It almost is 1 month and buy. But look at the hey car noise like all these things going on. Now mo call obi private a use mo pese or show me no one more the videos are out. They came and lied, said they were begging, they were on their knees. Meanwhile, videos no you went there to fight. Now Ghana na wo civilian and can you be only a year friend is saying so yani ebe cry. To me, you can't do that in any country. But Abanisa, my other thing too is yanum promise bibi almost say mu free aban free so na dollar na 4 cedis. Inti no you migusu train said dollar na be back to 4 cedis, but as you do see so no dollar no so kwa na ekosoro. Secondly, almost say you kind say kinky price ebeko back to and then 1 cedi. I just left Accra. As a matter of fact, it's being increased. Into no, how long are we waiting? And no, almost saying 120 days. They say 120 days, maybe another 30 days. I'm not sure, but we all know we've seen this a memo before. I may I say Ghana for really thought or think say NDC. This particular president no one Messiah. It's no see I think say me join and we say now more ka say obi ka say you see no mo betua school fees so say mo beto books so say I'm very excited. I'm not praying for the downfall of Ghana, but during the elections and after the elections, Ghana phobinum say omo wosika omo betimi atwa na free education ne free meals na mo de man kola ne kwa na mboa wo. At least we cannot applaud the NDC on that. So sana Ghana for it's no mototia na na do aban no. They should continue them in your cry and ka free SHS no cry and komu ntwe mu ma because that's what's almost saying almost saying nti ne yentwe mu boko ne twem a ehon na ye behu say we went looking for diamonds but then we found stones nti no lady no be can say be or say edidi dada yechin edidi prekon Ghana for we always want to think about what we want to eat today but doesn't work like that anywhere. It doesn't work like that anywhere. You put in the work and then you would harvest it later on. Untumi mbeka say na do buy and one be sesing. One be sesing. Mojo mahama no kra mo so waye bibi o. Mo say waye bibi. Na do one be yo yate.
Yeah, the tablet they didn't finish with it. They said like they need to set up what I've forgotten. You tomorrow I'll get all the details and let you know.
Okay. So
I'll
we
get
need
all the
the
details and
details.
let you know because that one too they charge them. I think like 200 cities when they went there or
Is that
something like
what
that.
Haruna Idrisu is bringing as the education minister? Is that
No,
what
now if on the
from the
schools now
schools?
the schools are taking charge doing their stuff because they know the government is not doing anything. So yeah, yeah,
Oh yes, exactly. That
now
is what
it's
has
from the
made the
schools. It's
status
from the
quo.
school. I don't think it's the government. It's by the schools. Yeah, definitely because
And everything, but those
14 fishing landing sites. Ghana, and San Yesan airport, not ye 4 airport. Ghana way. Yes, we na do anya hwe. The voice, medium na make can say dachi. Ye de kania lantern. Ene be hwehwe na ado ewia. Ewia wonya anadwo. Enya anadwo ewia na ye ni hu ade no. We will still look for nanado with lantern. Na say yes say ye de Bawumia be John ye koto aba. Wo gira ho se unkoto aba makremoni. Na ade ye kwa koyi clergy. Ana president ye kwa koyi. Unto aba makremoni. Ene mo nne. And the way you struggle 4 years, mumbo mpaye papa na ne free through ban wahu. E free so bano. Mo be hwehwe na nadu ewia kete ewia da so. Mo de kane na be hwehwe no. Enya anadwo. Mami patcho mami fa manusia.